Welcome to the third session of Learn's 2-Minute Brochure Design Workshop Series. This 4-part series will show you how to use the A principle to create better print brochures. The first A in the A principle is for attention. That is the function of the front cover. The I is for interest. The first 2 pages have to generate interest. D is for desire, the selling function of your course descriptions. Magazine style or letter size brochures get the best response. Use 2 or 3 columns for space efficiency. Keep your pages open and easy to read. And, caption every photograph. Photo captions are read more than anything on the page, except for titles. Make sure your titles are in bold, black, and stand out on the page. Vary your openers for each description. Avoid trite openers such as in this course. Keep descriptions to no more than 120 words. People won't read them if they are too long. There is more to selling your courses than writing good copy. Making your copy readable by using black ink on a light background, avoiding color for titles and narrative, and avoiding large blocks of copy in all caps and bold type, increase readability. Here is a simple message presented in a powerful way that will capture reader attention. The city of Olympia, Washington, uses a combination of a single, large graphic and great headline along with a subheadline that reinforces the message. Tompkins Cortland Community College offers readers a guide to core competencies for its workshops, a great customer service tool to convey the results that people can expect, and to help them find the right courses quickly and easily in the brochure. Thank you for attending our 2-minute workshop. Check back soon for the next session. In the meantime, lean on Learn whenever you need a hand. www.learn.org